Flooding. I am flooding below waterline, in the engine room, in the hold. I cannot control flooding. What kind of assistance is required? I require pumps, divers. I will send pumps, divers. I cannot send pumps, divers. I have dangerous list to port side, starboard. I am in critical condition. Flooding is under control. I can proceed without assistance. I require escort, tug assistance. Collision. I have collided with motor vessel. I have collided with unknown vessel, object. I have collided with light vessel. I have collided with sea mark. I have collided with iceberg. Report damage. I have damage above, below waterline. I am not under command. I cannot establish damage. I cannot repair damage. I can only proceed at slow speed. What kind of assistance is required? I require escort, tug assistance. Grounding. I am aground. I require tug assistance, pumps. What part of your vessel is aground? Aground forward, amidships, aft, full length. I cannot establish which part is aground. Warning: uncharted rocks in position. Risk of grounding at low water. I will jettison cargo to refloat. Warning: do not jettison IMO class cargo. When do you expect to refloat? I expect to refloat at 7 o'clock UTC. I expect to refloat when tide rises. I expect to refloat when weather improves. I expect to refloat when draft decreases. I expect to refloat with tug assistance. Can you beach? I can beach in position. I cannot beach.